Let's take a very common NEET question. You are given the sequence of a coding strand and the question asks what will be the sequence of mRNA transcribed from it. Now most students get this wrong in NEET. So let's slowly understand what's actually happening step by step. First, let me walk you through what usually goes on in your mind. You see DNA and immediately think of base pairing as A pairs with T and G pairs with C, so you take the given sequence and start writing its complement. Then you remember RNA has uracil instead of thymine, so you replace the T with U and you end up with this sequence. Now here is the important part. Chemically, everything you did is correct. Base pairing is correct. Replacing T by U is also correct. But the mistake is you applied it to the wrong strand. DNA is double-stranded. There are two strands, coding strand and template strand. And these two are complementary. During transcription, an enzyme called RNA polymerase comes and reads the DNA. And this is the key point. RNA polymerase reads the template strand, not the coding strand. Let's build everything clearly. Coding strand is given. Now let's write the template strand. It will be complementary to the coding strand and antiparallel. So this is the strand that RNA polymerase actually reads. Now remember, RNA is always synthesized in 5' to 3' direction and it is complementary to the template strand. So the mRNA formed will be this. Now compare the coding strand and the mRNA. You see, they are exactly the same, except T is replaced by U. Instead of memorizing multiple rules, remember just one idea. Coding strand is the copycat of mRNA. So if coding strand is given, no need to take complement. Just replace the T with U. Let's take a quick test. Write the sequence of mRNA for given coding strand. So we simply write the same sequence as the coding strand and replace every T with U. And just like that, we get our mRNA. Now back to the original NEET question. So we do the same, write the coding strand and replace T with U. So the correct answer is option A. Just remember three rules. Number 1, coding strand runs from 5' to 3', same as mRNA. Number 2, mRNA and coding strand sequence is same, just replace T with U. And the last one, template strand is complement of coding strand. If this was not clear before, take a moment and go through it again because NEET often tricks students with this exact concept.